here's why you shouldn't mock the police.
Way too much on the job and push your luck with the police.
I just got 6 felonies, bro. I fight you. I snipe people, bro. I see YouTube this.
Oh my god, not another drunk guy. Oh jeez.
What's going on?
So I think we have someone who is belligerent and obvious signs that he's been drinking.
Okay.
And wants to fight our security.
Hopefully he doesn't want to fight me.
Right?
So he's been asked to leave by 2 authorized people from the convention center. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? I'm Officer Pellegrini of the Savannah Police Department.
I know, I heard that.
I hear he knows what's going on.
So they're wanting you to leave
I
here.
know,
Do you have a room
I
at the
wanna
Westin?
leave.
Do you have a room at the Westin?
Yes.
All right, let's make our way over that direction, okay?
Alright, well.
All right, let's go. We're going to go out this way.
You wanna walk me or you gonna tase me?
I'm not going to tase you.
You wanna go this way?
Yeah, you can go that way. So here, let's do it.
Can I walk or am I getting tased? Why is that the 2 options and why are they correlated?
You're a big dude.
Keep walking, buddy.
You're the biggest one I've seen tonight. Yeah.
All right, keep walking, man.
I don't know.
I like it, bro.
Do you have your room key?
Actually, I want to take a
We're going to
picture.
keep moving. We're not taking a picture. We're
Don't
gonna keep
don't
moving.
touch me, bro.
Keep walking,
Don't
please.
touch me, bro.
Just keep
Don't touch
walking.
Oh
then.
nah,
Let's
this
keep
is
walking.
he's gonna make
me.
this
I
so
don't
much
like
worse.
touch me.
All right, then just keep walking for us. We won't
1,
have
2.
Keep walking. We
3,
won't have
4,
to escort
5.
you. I don't want to put hands on you. You don't want me to put hands on you. So let's
You
just
know
keep
what?
walking.
You know
Let's
what?
just keep walking. You want to go back to your room? You already said you wanted to leave. Let's make this nice and easy. Let's just
You're
go.
being sweet, by the way.
Okay, then let's
appreciate
go.
it.
Can we just go then? Okay.
They're
so
pissed
we need-
off. They're like, I gave you a
Hey,
deal as
let's
a
walk.
drunk
Come
white guy.
Come with me. Let's go.
I'm taking my time.
I know, but we
It's
gotta
called
go.
America.
It is called America.
Yeah, I do what the fuck I want.
Okay, you want to go in handcuffs, man?
Bro, they gotta have like a specialized task force for like drunk people specifically. Like you're trained in dealing with like drunk, you can speak drunk, and just kind of maneuver the situation a little bit better. Because what she's doing is not working. That works for a sober person, sure, but I mean this. She's gonna get irritated.
All right.
Let's go before we get...
Well, you do the.
I need another cigarette. Hold on.
Another
we
one.
gotta go now.
No, wait.
No, we gotta go now.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
right.
We gotta
Get
go.
me in jail. I'm gonna fight.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna go right down here and through the garage and right to.
No, that's called jail. Fuck no.
No, that's
not
not
called
That's the parking.
It's called the Westin right there.
It's called the Westin.
Westin Hotel Access.
It's the access to the hotel where you're staying.
I like you a lot.
Okay, come on, bro.
Don't push me, bro.
Watch your steps.
Use that handrail, man.
I'm here.
Dude, he is so drunk.
Come on, don't piss in here. We're
Piss in
upstairs.
here.
Yeah, like, why is everyone following me?
CJ.
Because we're trying to walk you to the hotel so you can get a room and go to sleep so we don't have to take you to
Wait, why is everyone following me, bro?
jail.
Sweetheart.
I know, she's the best. Now listen to her.
I like her a lot.
We're almost
Dude,
there.
he's like bipolar when he's drunk.
CJ, we ain't doing all that. We're going back to your room.
I got 5 on it.
Oh no.
Thanks for being so sweet to me, bro. Actually. Look at all these boys behind me. I see YouTube this shit. Hey, my boys, we're gonna someone up tonight. Hey, look, I wanna go home. No, I'm done with it. Don't touch me. You stay away from me.
It flips. Oh, what is this? What? That's not even Midwest safety.
No.
It looks like this guy cleaned up and did an ad read. What the fuck? That took me out of it, bro.
Gotta get the Uber app, CJ.
I
Open it
got
up.
it. I got it, honey.
Open it up.
Hold on, real quick. Let me call this. I got 3 of them. I got pissed, by the way. What is this? What the f is this? You pissed?
Dude, he must be like low. I mean, he would have like normally like seven bitches, I would imagine.
This in there?
Both.
Hey, hey.
Okay, he's just super drunk. I kind of want to skip this.
Yeah, I got 4 cops around me.
You're up and you have 4 cops?
Who's this? This is not Lisa.
No, this is Kirsten.
I got 4 cops around me.
Kirsten, you anywhere near the Savannah Convention
Hey,
Center?
talk to her. Talk to her. Alright, I'm
Okay.
out. Where's my at?
You need somebody on the phone.
The boss?
CJ.
My at? Hey.
Dude, nobody's gonna want to pick up this loser, and you're yelling. I mean, come on, buddy.
I mean, if he wants to walk and meet up with his boss.
Yeah.
It's a free country. But right now he's on public property.
Yep.
He's walking off.
And then he stopped.
Where'd he
We start
go?
walking back to our cars. We don't give him an audience, so just keep walking.
He walks onto a construction site, which is private property. At the same time, he's on the phone with his boss, who is far from happy. His boss? Was he at work?
I wasn't drunk to the show, bro. I'm not trying to play games, brother.
Oh, bro, you're still gonna give him a job after that, too?
That's fine. I didn't do nothing wrong, bro.
Okay.
You're
I
currently
think we're good.
trespassing on a construction site.
He's mad at me. That's
Right, and he's
great.
coming to get you. So you're going to go over there and you're going to go wait for him out of the construction site. You can't be in here. This criminal trespassing, you're about to go to jail. So
Bro, and he's not even, like, instantly fired. Like, what the fuck? What? How desperate is this guy to keep workers?
walk that way. Get out.
Criminal just passing.
Okay.
What are you, a cop?
Yeah, that's kind of what I am. I'm done being nice.
You got a pocket? I'm done being nice too. Try to get me down.
TJ, you're on a construction site right now, bud. We're just trying to get you off the site.
This is like the third cigarette that he's smoked. I mean, I'm kind of over. Oh my god. What a jump.
Or you can wait on your boss. You can go get a hotel room. Okay, then you're gonna get arrested. So we're gonna start walking out. I'm trying to give you options, man. I don't want to have. I don't want to put hands on you.
Nice to you. Nice.
I don't come to work to fight drunk guys.
Pissed at me. I don't care about your voice. He's pissed at me.
All right,
I
let's
gotta
go.
make money, bro.
Let's go. We're gonna start walking out.
Sun came up. I'm trying to relax, man.
All right, man. Put your hands behind your back.
You, bro.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm good, bro. I'm chill. Ah!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind.
That was pretty anticlimactic. That was lame.
Bro.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm good, bro. I'm chill.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes,
Yeah, that was
sir.
hardly satisfying, but I
I'm
mean,
good, bro. Why'd you do that?
I don't even think you needed that.
I'm fine. Why'd you do that? That was rude.
We'll sit you
That
up.
was rude.
I'm gonna sit you up, bud. Okay, sit up on your butt, and we're gonna stand you up.
Rude,
All right?
bro. Yes, sir. Why'd you do that? That was rude.
That was rude, bro.
Well, you know what's ruder is when you don't listen and we give you ample opportunity to listen.
I don't want to get a
That was rude, bro. Oh my god, what's wrong with that guy? What's wrong with this construction company guy? I mean, that's the problem here, and he's not even fired right away, and he's probably still gonna have a job when he gets out of jail. Like, buddy, you need some work on that. All right, well, I'm gonna charge my shit, so I'm gonna cut it off there. But we got through almost all of them. I had two more I wanted to do, but I'll save those for a little bit, and then so I'll probably be on again tomorrow. Hopefully, like 5:30 again. 5:36 I'll be on PST. So I don't know where you guys are at, but it's 5:36 p.m. PST tomorrow. I'll be live again. So yeah. Thank you, everybody, whoever was in here, and the people watching after. So, peace.